I am years old. I live in Spring Province. I study English at Green School. Today I want to talk about my classroom. There is one television in the class. There is one teacher in the class. There is one whiteboard in the class. There is one dustbin in the class. There is one whiteboard in the class. There is one bathroom in the class. There are 10 tables in the class. There are 10 chairs in the class. And there are 2 fans in the class. My classroom is very nice and
very nice.
Very nice. I love my class so much. Finally, I would like to say thank you so much to teacher and everyone for paying attention